Wow, you came.
Why wouldn't I? Plus, I even brought a peace offering for TK. I mean, he is working with Wes, so might as well make the best out of it. Plus, we had a good conversation the other day.
You guys are talking?
I'll give you the details later, if you and I are talking.
Well, for good gossip, I might be amenable.
Enjoy. And one for you.
Thanks.
Yeah, of course.
Wow, berry smoothies, my favorite.
Aren't you allergic to strawberries?
Yeah.
Are you the assistant? I love a smoothie.
I'm not an assistant, right?
Rhyme, I've heard so much about you. I'm Sadie, Tommy's girlfriend.
Tommy? Girlfriend.